Oh, I just missed that coming in for a landing. JonnyPink, hey man, it is raining out here. This is the Malibu Lagoon. I love it. It's really, really, really full. I was gonna walk down the path, but it is completely underwater. So I'll be using my GoPro today until the crack on the back lets the water in and it dies. It's beautiful out here. And I have my full rain cover today. This is my think tank one. I do have my little plastic one too, just in case, but it's beautiful. Let's see how what this looks like in the rain, because it's raining a lot harder today than it did the last time I was here. So I have everything in my backpack just in case. Let's go take a photo of, that looks like a great egret over there. Now my friends on the East Coast, well, first let me back up. The great egrets that we have here don't have the same green in their face, even with the breeding plumage. I understand that. But my friends on the East Coast do have, theirs have the green in the face. Breeding plumage here, I have not seen it in all the years I've been out. Not to that extent. Anyway, okay. I'm gonna go see what's happening down on the beach, in the sand, in the rain. I plan on getting wet today, but not my gear. Let's go this way, because we're not gonna go this way. Yeah, we're not going to be walking down that path there. It's completely underwater. It's pouring out here. I don't know if you can hear me over the wind and everything else. I've got full rain cover now on my backpack. It's actually pouring. So all I've shot was the Pelican. And that's it. I'm heading home now. It's really short. Thanks for letting me share it with you guys. I'm soaked, completely soaked. I didn't quite plan for this amount of rain. I should have put my poncho on. I didn't. Oh well. JonnyPink, thanks for letting me share with you guys. It's wet. We'll see ya. And look, this tripod is amazing. All right, just a quick recap. I love shooting in the rain. If I'm anticipating it and thinking about it, I should have had my poncho on. I should not have brought all the stuff that I did. I was anticipating a light sprinkle. So, and I would have, you know, I'm completely soaked. I was not anticipating that, and man, it is okay. The lagoon is beautiful. I got to see the male ruddy duck. Beautiful bluebill. Is that a dowitcher or is it a curlew? That was pretty neat, picking up something off of the beach. And of course the pelicans. And so even that brief half hour that it took to walk out there and back, maybe it was an hour, worth every single bit of it, absolutely. And again, thank you so much for letting me share with you. Had I anticipated a heavy rain like this, I would have just brought the rain cover and the GoPro, and that would have been about it. I had too much stuff with me, unfortunately. So I covered that up and I came back to the car. Now I'm gonna head home in this heavy downpour. Johnny Pink, again, thank you so much for letting me share with you. If you have never been out in the rain, it is fun, but don't take much gear, just enough to carry, to do what you want to do. If it's just a lens and a cover, that's cool. Oh, and the body too. We'll see you guys.